Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today with BBME. So in now my video today I would like to show you for I'm sweeper the backyard. So here you go. I beginning. Okay. So guys, I'm done for the cleaning in the backyard. So I show you guys. So wait guys, that is the backyard. Front in the backyard. I'm done for the sweeper. I think is getting 1 hour. There. 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 Okay, there. There. Over there. It's very clean. There. Okay. There. 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 And then I have the little garden and then the owner garden. And in the backyard, in the backyard, I think tomorrow for the cleaning for the continue. Only here in the front. Cleaning in the backyard because the scooter, I'm not the clean washing today because the Paul go to the Dumaguete using the scooter. So I think it's another day for the cleaning the scooter for the video. So guys, see you next video. Bye bye.
Nakuan de.
Istorya ka. Climbing the
Rambutan tree. Careful because the tree is slippery because it's raining while ago. Now she's planning to eat the lansones, the one that we get in the other tree. So she's gonna eat up there. Have you seen a human monkey before? Now I seen it now. Enjoy guys watching this girl.
like a monkey.
Tamis na ba siya no?
Kita. Lansones. Count ako. Monkey style.
Kanaog ra ang kuan. Piso.
Tara tagay buong ano? Okay. Taas naman eh. Kasi nagmaabot ako dire, no?
Oo, kaabot may ikod dira.
Dire?
Oh.
Ka? Dire, lisod.
Dili kay basa na lang kay gunitanan. Na strong grip.
Oh my god. Ito na dahil.
Did